Hey guys, I am in the city. I'm here with Laura. She just ran in to grab a coffee, but we got a matcha and now we're chilling at this little spot. Just hanging out, going for a walk, and then I have a lymphatic drainage at 4:45, and then we're gonna get dinner, and I have work tomorrow. I'm really excited. It's for a really cool brand that I've already shot with. They're so fun to work with, but I'll kind of get into that later. Hey guys, good morning. I am currently at the studio that we're shooting at today. I am wearing the same outfit as yesterday. Don't judge me because I don't want to pack a bunch of stuff for a one-day trip, but I'm shooting with a dormie today, which is really exciting. I look like a literal ghost in this lighting, like so scary. I don't understand why. The lighting on this camera is questionable, but I'm gonna head in and go grab a coffee because I'm here a little bit early. I like to get to set early most days, but they're a really fun team. I worked with them a month ago and I loved working with them, so I'm really excited. Hi guys, good morning. I've been up since 3:40 a.m. It is currently 4:31. Oh my god, you could not see that screen, but it's 4:31. I've showered and gotten a little ready. My chest is really red. I think that's just from anxiety. But I'm about to head to the airport. I am flying to LA today. It's quite a few days later when you guys last saw me in New York, but I'm working a few other modeling jobs in LA with some clients that I love, and I'm gonna be seeing all my friends and going to some fun spots and just kind of hanging out with all the girlies. So I'm so excited to take you guys along. I feel like I've been really in the mood to like vlog when I'm doing things that I think you guys will find exciting. Or I cannot get over my chest right now. Like, what the actual heck is going on? Why is it like that? Anyways, I made myself a cup of coffee and I'm gonna make a little water to go for the road, and Frankie's gonna bring me, and that's that. And we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna wear this little sweat set from Sporty and Rich. This little hat. It's gonna be cute. But I'll catch up with you guys at the airport. Here's the little fit. This sweater. These pants. Got my pants on, but they look like sneakers. Let's go. Hey guys, I just got to the airport. I'm about to head to the lounge. My flight doesn't board for another 40 minutes, so I have plenty of time. I got here like so early. Pre-check literally took 2 seconds. There was like no one there. I have clear and pre-check, so it's always fast. But let me do a fit check. I'm the last one on the plane, but I got upgraded. Guys, we just arrived to Miss Ella's house. Yay! And let me show you this cute spot. Ella did her big one on this. Yay! So exciting. Look at little Miss Thing over here in her brand new big girl apartment.
I'm so excited. Welcome to Los Angeles.
Welcome to Miss Ella's crib. I actually smell stinkity, so I need to go hop in the shower. Ella and I decided we're gonna have a cozy night in. Yes. We're gonna order in some food. We're gonna catch up, because every time we hang out, we end up going to an event, doing some sort of activity, and we never get to just like hang and like catch up on life. So it's overdue.
a strip club, got the strippers going way up. Taking no pics, and the pop 2 pills, that's gonna make a nigga stay up. Easy, beat, poppin' freaks. Bitch on demon time, she don't get sleep. You get straight, name, I'm a 5, 5, 1, 2, 3.
Good morning. Ella's still sleeping. I'm just making a quick coffee because I need to start getting ready for work.
Like that. I'm loving dropping bands on her. Amelia Poochie covering her up. Turn the studio into a strip club. Got the strippers going way up. Taking no pics, and the pop 2 pills, that's gonna make a nigga stay up. Easy, beat, poppin' freaks. Bitch on demon time, she don't get sleep. You get straight, name, I'm a 5, 5, 1, 2, 3.
I did shit. Baby, that pussy was so in the way. I wasn't in love with none of them anyway. I did shit. Baby, that pussy was so in the way. I wasn't in love with none of them anyway. I'm meant to be.
Guys, look who it is. Oh, my lens is dirty. Hold on. Hold on. Miss Whitney!
Hi! Pink Pie's in town.
She is taking me to get some coffee and go to dinner. We just finished work. It was such a good day, but it was a very long day. Is this freaking zoomed in? What the actual heck? Yeah, it was a little bit. Anyways, it was a great day. It was very long, but we're here. Whitney got a fancy new Defender.
Dude, you picked a Starbucks so far.
Wait, I did? The other one said they were closed. The closest one to you said it was closed.
Beverly Hills one?
The Beverly Hills one said it was further away.
Okay, then I'll zip my lips.
Yeah, Beverly Hills said 1.8 miles away.
I have no idea where we're going.
Whitney,
It's 4 minutes drive.
is 4 minutes far? I thought 4 minutes was close. I swear to God, that was the closest one I said.
Fine.
Anyways, we're going to Javier's, which is a Mexican restaurant tonight, with Whitney's cousin and her sister. And then I'm gonna go to sleep and go to work tomorrow. This is, well, I don't know what I'm doing with this.
It's a mic. It's a charger. Plug your phone in. You have 25%.
I don't have that freaking.
Yes, you do. Oh, you have the new one?
Yeah, ding dong.
Okay, so that's this one.
Anyways, yeah, catch up with you guys at dinner. Guys, coffee was buy one, get one. So I got one for tomorrow morning so that way I don't have to get one before work. But Whitney's like, dude, you have to put that in the fridge right now. And we were supposed to go like run errands. She has to, okay, car. She has to go return something before dinner. At Ups. And I was like, at Ups. And I was like, dude, what? Just, it's fine. Like, we can put it in the thing later. And she's like, no, like, you're gonna get really sick. We have to put it in the, it has milk in it. Like, you have to. And I'm like, it's cold
Even the guy
outside.
at Starbucks said you have to put it in the fridge.
Because he's not gonna advise that we leave
He said
it out.
3 hours max.
He's gonna say, obviously.
He doesn't know that we're gonna be at Javier's for longer than 3 hours.
we are not. That's the thing, is we'll be home anyways.
What if we go to the movies after?
We're not going to the popping movie.
But I already got 4 tickets.
You're going by yourself then. You and your 4 imaginary friends. They're gonna think you're a wackadoo.
Oh man.
Guys, I drove by my old neighborhood. This is not it, but I just figured I'd show you guys a little drive.
It's raining.
It's raining. No, it's not. I drove by my old neighborhood on the way to Wits from work today, and it made me so emotional. I texted Frank and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Like, I miss our old little spot. It was rinky. We used to go on the best walks there and bring the pup and like get ice cream and all that. It was like our first neighborhood that we first lived in. It's called Larchmont, if anybody
You lived in
lives in LA.
Larchmont?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I thought you were talking about Alfred.
No. I drove past Alfred too. I'm saying I as if I was driving the car, like my Uber. But, yeah. It was sad. Then when I texted you and I said, do you have a water bottle? I texted that to Frank by accident. And I was like, why is Whitney not responding? And I look and I'm like, oh my god, I asked Frank if he has a water bottle by chance. He's like, is this girl okay?
But okay.
Oh, Whitney's drunk. We're vlogging.
Fuck off!
Oh, my lens.
You're drunk too.
I'm not.
I will clean that for you.
It's not dirty.
We had a lot of wrinkles.
We had a girls'
I am a
night.
special guest, even though I was in the
You are
last.
definitely a special.
Girls' night.
Girls'
She's
night.
gonna sit on the couch because that's how she behaved today.
We ended the night night with gelato. We went to Javier's, and the girls are girling. The pinkles are dingling.
We're at a concert for, what's his face?
Pinkle dingle. Rufus, we're at a Rufus concert.
concert outside the city hall.
I'm done with us. Good job, Mommy Chula.
Yeah, pop that shit. Pop that shit. Baby, that pussy was somewhere to wait. I wasn't in love with none of them anyway. No, I'm in too deep. I'm in too deep. I'm in too deep. 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 In too deep.
Some bad bitches that's gon' fuck me for that AP. Fuck me for that AP. Fuck me for that AP. If I wasn't rapping, baby.
Hey you guys, good morning. I haven't picked up the vlog yet, but I'm actually at work right now. We are about to actually break for lunch and then move locations. And then Faith is gonna come pick me up and I'm meeting her new boyfriend. So that's super exciting, but it's been a really good day so far. I will insert some like BTS clips and all of that. And then I will try to vlog a little bit when we go to the second location because we're gonna be like outside. So yeah.
If I wasn't rapping, baby, I would still be trapping, baby. Coming down on sipping, tasting bottles on me, hella crazy. No Mercedes, my baby. 2022 updated. 40 mile sponsor club, shop spending hundreds like that. I'm loving dropping bands on her. Amelia Pucci covering her up. We turn the studio into a strip club. Got the strippers going way up. Taking no tips and the pop 2 pills. That's gonna make a nigga stay up. Into deep. Popping freaks. Bitch on demon time. She don't get sleep. You get straight, name, I'm a 5'5", 1, 2, 3.
Pop that shit.
Hi guys. We are already couple of pups.
We're a couple of pups.
And we are on our way to dinner now. I'm meeting a very special somebody of Faith's. I'm gonna try not to embarrass her, but I make no promises. I'm so excited. And I probably won't vlog at dinner just because that might be a little much for somebody that I'm meeting for the first time, you know what I mean? But
Maybe you can take a video of his pup. Maybe
Yeah.
he'll be okay with that.
he's bringing his pup. We love pups. Love pups. So
I'm so nervous. I'm not nervous. I'm just I feel like a gremlin.
you are a gremlin.
I'm like spacing out. And also this person's car door is open. Are we
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Ruh-roh.
Ruh-roh, raggy.
With the pup.
Popping freaks. Bitch on demon time. She don't get sleep. You get straight, name, I'm a 5'5", 1, 2, 3.
Pop that shit. Pop that shit. Baby, that pussy was somewhere to wait. I wasn't in love with none of them anyway. Yeah, pop that shit. Pop that shit. Baby, that pussy was somewhere to wait. I wasn't in love with none of them